right, guys, welcome to the channel. We're doing something a little different. I'm taking a trip with my Can-ams and my trailer, my truck from work. We're gonna go hit Utah, Moab. We're gonna try to take some videos of us doing Hell's Revenge, the Mickey Thompson's hot tub. We're gonna do all kind of stuff. We're gonna get crazy, probably flip the vehicles, but we're gonna have fun. Last minute, I didn't want to take 2 trucks, so I built this thing. No, just joking. My guy's right here, Chase. Probably you're not getting no credit because you're just backup singer. But Chase over here, with Nate's help designing on the computer, they built this little structure for me so I could throw my 2-seater. They actually made it where I could actually put my 4-seater up on it as well. So I could take one truck with all my equipment. I got my kitchen, I got my fridge, I got a pop-up tent, I got awnings. We're ready to go. So we're gonna try to bring back some cool videos, show you guys what we did. And by the way, don't judge us. We did not have time to paint the steel. We're gonna add the winch, some lights, then we're gonna line X it, right? So what we're gonna decide to do, we're gonna line X the structure, but we're also gonna line X the bed on our truck, so it's gonna look all matching to our trailer. So it's gonna be all blacked out, okay? We'll keep the wheels polished. So put some comments what you think about this video. We're gonna try to get a lot of B-rolls. Madeline didn't want to go with me. She said she was scared. She won't do it. So I'm gonna do my own videos. I apologize ahead. She won't even let me borrow the what is it? What is it, Madeline?
The GoPros?
Not the GoPros.
The 360?
No, you're not letting me take the drone. She won't let me take the drone because she said last time I crashed it.
That's correct.
So, and we have a new drone since then because we did total it. So, anyway, I'll do my best, guys. All right. So, guys, Chase killed it on this. We're gonna show you guys tomorrow. We put it on the truck. Chase killed this. He helped design this together with Nate. Get this on the 5500 tomorrow. We're going to Moab. I appreciate it. It's been long nights, but it looks pretty good.
It does look pretty good.
Yeah, good job, man. Is it strong?
I think so.
We'll find out.
Got up this morning, getting ready to hit another trail. This is what we woke up to. A little bit of snow. Kind of cool. It's gonna be a chilly one. The sun is trying to come out, so that's nice.
Hi guys, we just got back from Moab. Yeah, it was an epic trip, amazing. My buddy Keani right here was with me. Keani is a professional race car driver. He races on dirt, he does sprint cars. And I'll tell you, it was challenging. I had to chase him around. He was in the two-seater. It was a little quicker, I'm just gonna say.
This one has a lot more weight.
Four-seater. Yeah, it was heavier, but we did good.
You did good.
Yeah, we did good. I had a couple areas where I had to try to catch up. You had to slow down, but epic trip. We did Hell's Revenge. We did all of those obstacles, including the staircase. The second day, we did Gemini's Bridge. That was incredible. The views there.
Awesome views there. Like, it's the best place in the world to see that type of rock structures.
We actually just went and hiked up there, and we just sat there probably for an hour, just watching the views. And then after that, we did something cool. We looked down and we saw like the riverbed, like really low. And Keani is a good navigator, and I said it'd be cool if we can get down there. And we ended up finding our way down there, and then we took some pictures and stuff from the bottom.
Yeah,
that was super cool.
Look up towards the arch. That was nice.
That was a lot of fun. Then the third day, what was that pass called? Dorian something? I don't know what it was.
Dorian's River or Dolores River?
Dolores Pass, whatever it was.
Dolores River.
Anyway, you guys see us crossing this river. It was about 20 degrees out there, snowing, and we rode in the mountains, sliding and having a blast. That's how we got this. It's actually, they're clean. We drove them through the river like 4 times to clean them off. And the drive back all the way to California, I cleaned them up a little bit.
Yeah,
but you guys can see we had a lot of fun. Except he splashed me in the river crossing. I was going slow and he blew by at about 60. I put a big wave of ice water.
It was warm water.
Payback is still coming. But guys, just the one thing you guys got to forgive us on, we didn't have Madeline over there, and we could really use her because our videos suck. So this guy's horrible. We just drive. So we keep forgetting to videotape. So we're going to get as many clips and pictures as we have. But man, if you're a biker, hiker, off-roader, a must. Go to Moab, You can enjoy it no matter what. If you like to ride, we've seen people on mountain bikes climbing in the middle of
Yeah.
Hell's Revenge.
Miles up in there, and there's still people just with bikes.
on bicycles. It was incredible. So no matter what you are, Moab is a place you can't miss. You agree?
Yeah.
Great food.
The town is cool. The town has that old feel Midwest vibe where you feel like you're back in the 70s and 80s walking through a little town, and then you jump in modern day equipment and go have fun.
Here's the other cool part. You drive into the restaurants, people are driving Can-Ams and Razors and everything right to the restaurants. Keanu drove the two-seater around town. It was a blast. You can't go real fast, but it's a lot of fun. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching the channel. We appreciate you guys, and we'll see you on the next video.